Yep. You basically have come to the conclusion that you don't really see yourself building with this individual anymore. Oh, what did this person do? Justice in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. If not, maybe you found out that somebody's getting out of some type of legal situation, or maybe the truth came out about something, and that's why you're like, Yeah, somebody's in their head big time. There's a lot of mental conflict here. Somebody's feeling like something's been lost. Yeah. I feel like it's you guys. You know, you're looking at it like what you want to take place out of the situation with this individual. You're realizing that, okay, I may have to go on a new path. This may not be what's destined for me. You guys really wanted it to work, you know? You definitely wanted things to improve, or maybe this person wanted things to improve with you. There could have been some type of third-party situation going on, but at the end of the day, Virgo, I just see you dropping it. You know, you were the one putting in all the work into the situation with this individual, and they took it for granted. And so you're like, you know what? Bump this. I'm loving myself first. Oh, yeah, that was definitely a three-party. That's 2 3s already. Oh, yeah. Okay, so some of you guys found out about some type of third-party situation. But you're dropping it. You're letting it go. You're like, you removed yourself out of this third-party situation. Oh, my God. The Tower, too? Virgo, what is happening? Y'all gonna make me play my Christmas music as soon as I'm done with y'all. Lord. Like, what is happening? Something came Okay, so you guys are dropping it because this person that you were dealing with definitely had you in some type of third-party situation. And there was a Tower moment because it was like you were putting forth all the effort to make things work, and this person wasn't, you know, doing it either. Well, excuse me, they weren't putting in the work. So, yeah, the stability in the relationship, it wasn't stable. And so it had to come crashing down. It came to a stop. You guys removed yourself out of the situation. But somebody, maybe you guys found out this person had another family. Lord, and there's a devil at the bottom of the deck. Oh. Somebody is very sneaky, something toxic. Oh my gosh, this energy here. It's like you saw yourself building with this person. You saw yourself having a family with this individual, but right now you're like, I don't see a victory with this person because of what they put me through. I refuse. Some of you guys could have been dealing with this person for a long time, but you're like, you know what? Somebody has something that they want to say, but they're holding back. They're not speaking up. And I feel like at this point, you guys are coming out of being frustrated about it. And you're just trying to stay positive, you know. I just feel like a lot of you guys are just trying to move forward, you know. So you're just staying positive. Look at that, the star. Staying positive. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but again, I just feel like somebody is trying to stay positive, just trying to stay hopeful that things will work out in their favor with them moving on, because y'all definitely cut somebody off. Big time. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but yeah. Somebody got cut off. Look at that third party. It's definitely some type of third party. So let's just say, I have to say this every time, third party doesn't have to be another man or a woman. It could be a family member or a friend. But just take it for however it fits your situation. But there was definitely some type of third party here. So it could be, now that I'm looking at this, you guys definitely did cut this person off. I mean, that's not going to change, okay? Because they put you in this third-party situation. But I want to say that this person could be trying to come back to let you know that they cut off this third-party person or whatever the situation they had going on. But you don't trust it. Because this person was being the magician. Like, they were everywhere. You don't trust it. Just, Tell me more, please. Somebody could be dealing with another earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But Virgo, I feel like this is you. You're just focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your career. Because you're a go-getter. You're like, you know what? I put too much time and energy into this mess, and I just don't have time for it anymore. I feel you're sad, but at the end of the day, you're picking up the pieces. You're doing what you got to do. But this situation is definitely frustrating you. Maybe you're frustrated about finances for some of you guys. But I just feel like you guys will be coming out of that energy. And it looks like you're going to make a decision. This person that you cut off, they made a decision. They want to come back towards you and give you an offer. But at the same time, there's some codependency with this person. Tell me more. Yeah, this person definitely didn't bring balance to your life. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Sagittarius here, but they're still coming back wanting to give you an offer. Tell me more. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but this person definitely wants to move forward with you. And these here, there's a lot of back and forth. Okay, so I feel like, okay, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius, right? And you're trying to stay positive because you care about this person. You would like things to work out, but at the end of the day, you're having a hard time because of what this person put you through. Somebody's definitely interfering in this connection. For some of you guys, it is someone's mother. They are in the way. Or some type of motherly figure. If not, it is a man or a woman friend. But somebody's blocking. And this person is trying to take it day by day to come towards you, but they're not. I mean, I have both knights here in reverse. It's like they're moving slow to come towards you because they know they have to tell you the truth, right? But they're not. But then in the next breath, it's like they have the confidence to come towards you. They know that they're getting ready to lose you. And so, I mean, this is 3 nights back to back. I mean, so now they're just still not approaching you. This person is just like, oh, Lord, this person here. Okay, I'll just leave it there. This person here. All right, anyway, let's move on. Okay, so somebody's dealing with an Aries here. If not, you guys are just looking at this individual like they do not bring stability in your life. This is somebody that you could have been dealing with from your past. You've known since childhood. You possibly have kids with this person. But you guys are emotional. You're sad the way things are playing out, but you're just holding everything in because you feel like this other person has options. There's things about this individual that you just don't like. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but y'all are just over it. You're not speaking up anymore. But somebody wants those seeds that were planted to grow. Somebody's coming out of feeling sad about the way things are playing out. Somebody's coming out of this energy of being frustrated. Yep. Somebody, Virgo, this is you. You're basically healing. You're leaving all this alone. You're isolating yourself from this person because you're realizing, you know, I need to get far away from this situation and focus on myself. You're realizing that you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. You know, as much as you really wanted it, but it was just a lot of deception going on. Things that you just didn't know. This person wasn't telling you anything. You guys could be dealing with another Virgo. For some of you guys, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. But you're like, you know what? This just needs to come to an end. I'm tired. But they're saying that somebody's still weighing up some decisions here. Somebody has to make a decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I feel like somebody is trying to get out of some type of relationship or commitment, marriage possibly, because they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity here. So you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo like yourself. This person wants to come back in to give you this offer of commitment. But there's 2 people here. 3 people here. What? Virgo. Virgo. And you know the sad part about this is, when I flipped this card over, something said 3, and I was like, in my head, no it's not. Yes it is. Like, what? There's 3 people here. Y'all know I don't take the cards being gender specific, so it could be 3 men, could be 3 women, it could be a mix of everybody, okay? There's a lot of people involved here. I really feel like this person seriously wants to give you an offer. But they know that they were being a player and they're sad about it, but it's a lot of people here, guys. Oh my gosh. Virgo, y'all know y'all gotta leave me some comments, please. Cause, and you know what? This was the card at the bottom of the deck. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Leo here. Somebody's being a player. Somebody liked the fact they had options. They thought that you were gonna stick around and tolerate their nonsense. And when you put your foot down and you walked away because you loved yourself first, they're stuck. Cause they're like, wait, what? You're not dealing with me? Wait, what? So now they're like rethinking things. But their ego and their pride is in the way because they don't want to come forward to admit to you what they did wrong, because a lot of you guys really don't know the truth or know the full story of what's going on behind the scenes here. Look at that, the sun. Somebody definitely wants happiness, but don't have a peace of mind here. I wouldn't either with all these people. Somebody, y'all, I'm stressed, okay? This is stressing me out. What in the world? Somebody's definitely interfering here. I feel like money is at play. But this person that messed up, the crazy thing is, out of seeing all of this, they really want to be with you. They just feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you because they messed up bad. I mean bad. Oh gosh, bad. Look at this. I told you, they want to be with you. This person wants a commitment. Oh, they made the wrong decision. There's the Queen of Swords. Somebody's dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But you guys are coming off really cold and harsh to this person because they put you through some nonsense. And you're ready to take a leap elsewhere. You're ready to move in a new direction because this person left you out in the cold. You are coming out of that energy, but again, it's like every time you think about this individual, it really pisses you off. Because I feel like I'm getting mad. This ain't even my situation. But it's pissing you guys off because they didn't bring balance into the relationship. You guys did everything. So now it's like they have the audacity to come back to give you this offer. You know, and y'all are looking like, what are you doing? I don't even want to talk to you. I really don't even want to see you. Actually, I don't even want to speak to you. You know, y'all like, You guys don't really see anything improving here in this situation. But somebody is stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. And they're undecided about what to do. Somebody's not using their intuition here. Tell me more about that. Because this person is sneaky. It's like you care about this person so much. You love this person so much. But, I mean, you cannot make this up, y'all. I mean, it's here. This person was playing games. That's why they're saying you're not using your intuition because you know that this person is sneaky. They've been doing this for a while. They've been playing games. Those lessons, y'all. Y'all gotta put y'all foot down. Look. 7 of Swords with the moon? Oh, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. Okay, yeah, this person's sneaky, y'all. There was a lot of things that you didn't know this person was doing. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But it's like... this person wants to come back in to give you this offer of love. But I don't see any changes. Like, that's the crap. Like, I could see if I'm like, okay, Virgo, you know what? It was like 3 to 5 people here, right? Okay. And they messed up. We know they messed up. We know you deserve better, right? And you moved on good, right? Okay. But they're coming back, okay? And they ended things. The issue that I'm having, I don't see them ending anything. I feel like they're trying to base how they move off of what you're going to say to them when they come back. So when they come back, because they are coming back, they're just moving slow to do it. Take your time. You guys really need to be cautious with this person. And if for some reason, because some of y'all are going to take this person back, which is fine. It's your business. You know, people can change. If you decide to take this person back, be very careful as far as, like, don't take them back so quickly. Make them put in the work. Why is the Ace of Cups here? Let me see. Yeah, this part. Okay, so this person wants to come back to try to balance things out with you. And they're ready to put in the hard work to fix things. But you're looking at them like, I'm tired of you stabbing me in the back. But they still want to communicate to you. They want to come back and talk to you about things. Tell you how they feel. But they're... it's like they're frustrated and they're not speaking up. They're holding back. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here, but there was just a lot of toxic behavior here. And that's why they're not talking to you. Because they know what they were doing was wrong. This person wants to move forward with you, but... oh, God. Okay, for some of you guys, it's like you're moving on because you don't see yourself having a new beginning with this person. There's a small percentage of you that... when this person comes back, there could be news about a pregnancy or some type of baby here. It was like an unexpected pregnancy that took place. I couldn't even get that out, Lord. Okay, but yeah, somebody didn't want me to say that, but yeah. Be careful. That's all I'm gonna say, Virgo. I really was not expecting this. I mean, ugh. But I'm glad that you guys are able to see what's going on. You can hear what's going on. That way you can move accordingly, because we're not bringing this into 2019. Are we, Virgo? No, we're not. Okay, so, but you guys have got to leave me some comments. Like, yeah, please let me know if this is resonating for you guys.